So here's how you can subscribe to Spotify on the Android device. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this. So you open up the Spotify on your device. If you do not have it, just go to the Play Store and then download the app. But you get inside and you might likely be prompted to get the premium, but if not, you can just browse your library and you can just, play stuff with ads and so on, the limited usage. But below in the tab bar, you should see the premium icon. And when I do click on the premium below, it's going to give me all of the perks and it's going to give me perhaps some offers if anything is available. But the point is that below I have the available plans. So there are even 5 plans for me, like the individual one, the student, duo, family, and extended family, right? So pretty interesting stuff. And all of those have their price written out in here. As you can see, I might be getting a deal or something. But if I click on the individual one, which might be the most common scenario, you just click on it like that. It's going to give you or move you over into the page where you can complete or set up the payment. So it depends, it might take a while to load up, but you will eventually get it there and you will have the ability to pick the payment method. So there are actually 2 options. So you can pay it through the Google Payments or through the Google Play. But if there are some offers or something that you get as a discount, perhaps it's not going to work, because if you pay through the Spotify payments, it's going to basically move you over into the web browser where you can type in the details of your credit card and you will have then the ability to paid over their platform. So yeah, you have the ability to make payments through different ways, but it might also make a difference about how much you pay and so on. So I hope it helps. I really hope that I was able to show you how it kind of works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc and you are interested in these kind of tutorials, then make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming ones in the future. For now, that's going to be about it, and I'll see you later.